getting started with your Riman Experience Kit. So I'm going to walk you through all 8 steps today, but first, before you even start, if you haven't, take your before picture. Wherever you take it, make sure it's good lighting so we can see your skin. Snap a couple or do a video, side, center, other side. You want to make sure you get your neck because you're going to see difference there. You are going to see a difference in the next 30 days. So just be ready. I'm so excited for you. Like, this is going to change your skin. So when you open up your box, it has steps right here, 1 through 8. It describes each one to you, the product, how to use them. But if you need, like, we can get on a call, we can get on a FaceTime and go through each step together. If you're like me, you're introverted and you're like, oh, heck no, then just follow along on this video. So first of all, we're gonna start out with the powder. I like powder. This is going to just polish your skin. Hold on, let me get my hands wet. Let me get my hand wet. So I like to get it wet in the palm of my hand and form a paste, okay? The more wet it is, the less gritty it'll feel, the more gentle it will be on your skin. So just getting started, give it a good wetting and give it a good wetting. Get it good and wet so you can feel a little bit of the powder texture, but it's not really pasty, okay? And then we're just going to spend a minute, at least a minute, 60 seconds, really working it in. Now, if you got the oil in addition, if you got the cleansing oil, you've already done that step. Then you do this one. The oil is the first step. That is a good makeup remover. So this is going to be your daily cleanser. And like I said, you can make it as gritty as you want or as smooth. Some days, like 2-3 times a week, I make it pretty gritty because I want to just polish my skin. I want to give it a really good exfoliation. And then when we're done, you can just rinse it off or use a microfiber cloth. I prefer microfiber over a cloth because cloth, like a washcloth, a true cotton washcloth, will give your skin a little bit more exfoliation. This is softer and more gentle on your skin. Or just skip the washcloth, splash your face, okay? Also, I don't think I mentioned it, but don't forget your neck. Like, our neck needs exfoliation too. So this you will thank me for if you exfoliate your neck. All right, once I get that done, I try not to tug and pull on my skin too much when I'm rinsing, but I can be a little aggressive. Okay, readjust. And I bought these on Amazon. They're like $7, $10 for a pack of 4. So they're like super cheap and inexpensive. Okay, step 2 is our hydration and moisture. They're different. This is an oil and a water-based product. So shake it up really good, spritz your face. Since I have lash extensions on and this oil, I'm not going to spritz my face. So we're just going to gently blend that in. This is such an amazing product. It doesn't feel like oil on your skin. It just feels like a little fresh, just feels like a refresh actually on your skin. Super easy. Okay, next is our Calming Balance Gel. This little guy here is pretty darn amazing because it's that hyaluronic serum. It is everything. It is the one product that everybody talks about, or it's the one ingredient that everybody talks about, hyaluronic acid. It is a water magnet. So this is going to attract the water from the air and it's going to keep it in your skin. It's going to hydrate, it's going to plump, it's going to firm, and keep your skin from looking dehydrated. I think, in my opinion, dehydrated skin looks old. So just blend that in until it's nice and smooth, just like that. Okay, we're almost done. We are halfway through. We are now on step 4, 5, and 6. This right here is a combo. It is the booster serum. This combo right here has the highest concentration of the Riman patented award-winning ingredients. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna spritz the serum on our face. This spray is a little bit, it's not a gentle mist. It's not a fire hose, but we're just going to mist that on our face. And then we're going to do the serum. This combination of products in this way are going to help to lighten, brighten, firm, plump, restore your skin to its best condition, and all with those wonderful Korean ingredients that only Riman has. So this is very soft and smooth. I like to put just a few drops on my fingertips, blend it together so I can evenly put it on my face. And then we're going to, after we get that blended in, we're going to spritz. So you can wait a little bit between each step. The more that you use this, the quicker you can go through it. As you're getting started, your skin is going to need time to really absorb, and just like it most likely has never had this layer of hydration. So it's going to take a little bit for it really to absorb deeply and quickly before you move on to the next product. So we're going to spritz that on. So we're sandwiching the serum together. All right. Now, don't forget to do your neck. I just do my neck out of habit, but I had to kind of train my brain to do my neck. All right, I need a little bit of oil for my lips here. We're almost done. Step 7 is our active cream. This is a nutrient-dense product that is going to hydrate your skin deeply so that all those layers that we've put on are going to be locked in. This just like seals everything in. The thing about Korean skincare is it's all about layering. And I think that a lot of us are so used to not necessarily layering, but more using a product on, a separate product for every single issue that we have, where this line is safe for sensitive skin. It works in layers to address all of our skin issues as a whole, because our under eyes don't need something separate than the rest of our face, but they do need to be treated. So regardless of whether you have dull, dry skin, redness, rosacea, age spots, the hyperpigmentation, dark under eye circles, fine lines and wrinkles, you name it, the skincare works in layers to heal and nourish your skin as a whole, which I think it just makes sense. Why would you need separate products for your skin, right? Okay. Final step is our BB cream. This is a kind of a one-size-fits-all in a way. It is one shade only, and it is kind of light. So I like it because, it is a little light on my skin, but it has this amazing glow factor to it. It's very light reflective. So I love it as just it's Saturday, I'm not doing anything. I want a little bit of extra glow. I probably put too much on. That was way too much, you guys. So I just want a little extra glow. We're heading to the in-laws later, and I love for my skin to just do this. But like I said, it can be a little light on the skin. So if it is too light on your skin, you can mix it with your foundation. You can mix it with your highlight color. You could mix it with a little bit of bronzer to give you like this tinted bronzer look, or use it as a base for the rest of your makeup. Use it like a concealer. It goes on light, but it tends to just kind of like fade into my skin. So it's not too light. It won't look this light moving forward. All right, and that is it. Woo, that is all. Hold on, I gotta fix this hair. Okay, and that is it. That is our 8 steps in the experience kit for you to truly, I love that it's called an experience kit because it truly allows you to experience Riman for 30 days with our most popular, this is our signature line. You are going to see a difference in your skin. You are. Be ready. And that's why I want you to take that before picture, because we see our face every single day, so it's hard for us to notice those subtle changes in our skin. But when you do a side-by-side, even if you don't share it with me, if you just do it for yourself, when you share that side-by-side, you're going to be amazed. Your skin is going to be brighter, lighter, hydrated, less dull, a little bit more glowy, maybe a lot more glowy, firmer, plumper. Your spots are going to be lighter. They're going to fade. All the things, right? And for us, it's so different based on person, how quickly you see results. Like I felt it and I saw it my very first time I used it. The very first time I was like, oh my gosh, I've got a glow, I've got a glow. I wanted a glow. For others, it takes a little bit longer, but just know every time you use that, you are putting on the most incredible ingredients. You're putting on your skin the most incredible ingredients that are only going to heal and nourish your skin in the best way possible, clean, non-toxic, made to heal, made to repair your skin barrier and create this glow from within. So it is going to be the best money that you have spent in a very, very long time. And if you ask anybody in this group, they will say the same thing. They will tell you how amazing the skincare line is, how much they love it, how it's changed their skin. And everyone has a different story because we all have different issues about our skin that bother us, different ages, all the things. So don't hesitate to ask in this group some of the ladies' experiences because they will tell you, they will be honest, and they will tell you how amazing this line is. So I hope that was helpful. So steps 1 through 8 in the experience kit, it doesn't take long to do. It may be more steps than you've ever done, but you've never seen the results that you're going to see. It is going to be worth it. You are going to experience the Riman difference, and the picture you take before and the picture you take at 30 days is going to be so incredibly different. Best money you're going to spend. And if you haven't gotten started and you want to know if this is going to work for you, just message me because it will. So hope you guys have a great Saturday. I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to hearing more from you about your skin.